Next on the chopping block is this. I'm going to show you how to replace this door switch. Actually quite very easy. Rubber, check. Pick, check. Go up under, pull this puppy out. Now, we have a 7mm that we have hidden somewhere. And how to remove it is coming soon to a theater near you. We have, here you go. We have the drill that we use for the speakers. Get them out of here. Let's switch. And now, we're going to pull this 7mm out that I already took out. See? It's gone. Now, with the other pick, tool, screwdriver, slash, there's a gap right there. Now, if you want to be extra careful, sure, let's take this guy. Let's see if we can get him with just that. Here we go, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Pull this guy up, be quiet. Unlock it. We don't want to get locked out. Okay. Let's unplug, and switch this guy out. Now, I'm betting you're going to come with a whole new tray. Not tray, but this guy. So if you have to separate the two, let me show you how to do it. What I meant to say is trim panel. So if it's going to come like maybe wood or gray, I don't know what level tiers they are, but you have these little locking tabs right here. With something like this, I would go right between the outer plastic. You see? And what I like doing is something like this. You take them and you jam them in one by one. So as you do one side, you can do the other side. So you see what I'm doing? I'm getting these little tabs out so we can get this puppy separated from this trim panel. So let me show you the end result. Hoo hoo hoo, I heard a unclip. And here you go. Same thing with this. These are just two. Just get these guys back out of each other. Again, something like this. And you pry in back the plastic as you pull up or push down, depending on which way you have it on the bench. But you get it. Same principle. You'll get these little tabs out and it'll slide out just like this. But new one in. Make sure you hear snap. Done. And done. Plug it back in and you're off to the home stretch. This leg in first. There you go. Push down. 7mm back in because you took it out and somewhere. Don't lose it. And there you have it. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.